Is that fort? Hi, fort. Hey besties, so we made it sa aking hostel. So ayan ang aking room. Ang aking kama, ayan. So okay naman siya. Nasa 8th floor ako pero may elevator sila. Ang bilis lang din ng check-in. Kinabahan pa ako kasi past 12 na pero 24 hours naman yung reception nila, so it's good. Ang lamig ng kwarto. I love it. Ayan, tapos nasa top bed na naman ako. And then, hindi lang masyadong giving yung kama kasi matigas. But, I think okay naman to for the price. Ayan. May towel na rin dyan, hanger. And, ayan, may mga socket. Dyan. Here at my favorite 7-Eleven branch. Hey guys, so yung hotel na nakikita nyo sa likod ko is a filming location used sa Lovesick 2024. Ayan, ginamit siya as bahay ni M, yung facade. And then yung sa loob niya is ginamit din nila nung nagbakasyon silang apat. Ayan, so ayan, o diba? Malapit lang to sa pinag-iisayan kong hostel ngayon. So, filming location agad! Hey besties! It's Franny, your real bestie, and tayo ay nasa Bangkok again today. I am so happy, and we are starting our Bangkok vlog with our Gel Boys agenda. And today, nandito tayo sa makita pero I'll just put a clip there. This is yung Mala Place na ginamit sa Gel Boys. Ito yung Mala Place nila Babel. So, ayan. Kakain tayo dito today. Let's go. You're open already. So, saan tayo upo? So ayan guys, pwede kang pumili ng dalawang soup. Ayan, ito yung soup na available sa kanila. Okay. So, ang isang soup, pwedeng isang soup lang, that's for 49 baht. And then pwede kang pumili ng dalawa for 59 baht. And then here are the options. Hey guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Mala Place nila Babin and dito tayo kakain ng lunch. So it is a Mala Place. Parang shabu. Yeah, actually oo, shabu-shabu, ganyan. So as you can see, may rotating na platform for the food. So meron din tayong soup. Pwede ka pumili ng isang soup lang for 49 baht and then yung dalawang soup for 59 baht. And then kukuha ka na ng gusto mo dito sa mga umiikot. Yung price niya, it depends sa color nung plate. So ayan, makikita mo siya dyan. So yung orange is for 20 baht, yung parang black is for 30, and then yung red is for 50 baht, and then yung yellow is for 80 baht. Ayan. Kasi mga stick, that's for 5, 10, 20, ayan. Iba-iba yung prices niya. So, pipili ka na lang din talaga. Yeah. Wait. Ayan. So, tara, kumain na tayo. Full on Babin fan kasi tayo kasi we are eating here sa Mala Place sa Babin, and then we have our Babin meals. Okay besties, so naka 348 baht tayo. Oh my god. Kahit mag-isa lang tayo, di ba? Kasi kahit kukuha-kuha ka lang dyan, no, hindi mo mamamalayan, ang laki na din pala ng nagagastos mo. But yeah, masarap naman siya. I like the mala soup. Ayan, so let's go to our next destination. This is the exact place kung saan bumaba si Babin. So bumaba siya dyan and then takbo siya dito. Tapos ito yung BTS station kung saan kachat niya si Formod. Ayan, dyan siya. We are at BTS Siam Station and dito unang nagkita si Formod at si Chian. Ayan, so dito yan. Dito nakita ni Formod yung nails ni Chian. Tapos na in love na siya. Charot! This is the exact same exit na nilabasan ni Formod. Ayan. You know what this is? Airdrop. We don't know her. This is where. Ayan. So dito, yan, 'di ba? Tinanong ni Formod kung pwede ipasa ni Chian yung picture na na kinuha niya. But hindi niya na ipasa kasi walang airdrop ni Formod. Does this look familiar to you, Gel Boys fans? Ayan. So dito sila dumadaan after school. Bestie, so ito ang entrance na ginamit nila sa Gel Boys. Ayan, kaya lang sarado siya. Tapos Since dito yung entrance and exit na ginamit nila, supposedly dapat dito yung fruit stand kung saan sila bumibili ng mga fruits after school. Ayan, ito yung palatandaan ko dyan, yung poste na to. Yan, nakita ko yan sa scene. Kaya lang, wala siyang fruit stand. So, kikita nyo bakante siya. So, it's either ginamit lang, nilagay lang nila yun doon for the series, or may oras lang siya. It's either umaga or hapon siguro. Ayan. Pero, if we look at here, sa kabila, if we look at the other side, ayan, marami siyang tindahan ng mga pagkain. So, ayan. But this is the school. Ayan. Ito ang school na ginamit sa Gelboys. Right? Don't know if you can check the inside. Ayan. So, bawal kasi tayo pumasok yan kasi it's a high school, I think. Nakikita niyo yung net na yan. Ginamit nila yan, di ba? This one, besties, is a very famous tourist spot and it's also used sa Gelboys. So, this is where Babin and Formod manifested their Blackpink concert tickets. This is where they purchased their Blackpink concert tickets. So, they did that here because this is a shrine for where people can wish for success. Ayan, so that's why they did that here. Guys, I found the location kung saan nagtatalon sa saya si Babin na nagkaroon siya ng chance kay Formod. Guys, TikTok video tayo. Asan si Buwa? Asan si Chian? Mag-TikTok tayo. Charot. Besties, tignan nyo, ang cute ng ginawa ng look. Naglagay sila ng mga ganito dito sa may filming location na ginamit nila dito sa Siam Square area or sa may Siam area. Ayan, napaka-cute. Hey besties, so nandito tayo sa isa sa mga favorite filming location ko ng Gelboys. So dito naglalandian si Babin and Buwa, and then they run going there on that direction.
Boys. Best, this has got to be my favorite standee of all. This has to be my favorite standee of all. It's Nikki J.
And we are at Siam Center Gel Boys Playground. Ayan. Ayan. So ito ay immersive playground for the Gel Boys fans. So very Gel Boys ang aesthetic nila. Right? So here you can also see meron silang cart for the fruits. May ice cream. Tapos may merch sila dyan. And then you can take pictures and videos here. And then sa taas there's Cantima. Like, let's see if we can. There's Cantina right here. Cantina sa loob. Should we slide down? No, I don't think so. Guys, yung guitar case ni Babin. And we also have the guitar case of Formod. Okay, besties, so we're already done with our Gel Boys agenda. So ngayon naman ay pupunta na tayo sa mga artist events. So, meron sa Icon Siam, though tapos na yung Jasper Siam, pero meron pang Lycan doon, so pupunta tayo doon. Tapos, check natin if maabutan din natin yung Tao Off-Road dito sa Siam Paragon. Pero feeling ko hindi na. Tapos meron si meron sayang si Saint, si Pum tsaka si Saint sa Central World. Kaso 4 PM yun. I don't know if andun pa sila. Andun na sila. Or should we check Pom Saint muna? Bago tayo pumunta ng Icon Siam. No, may kita ko pa rin naman yung Lycan. May ibang pang event yung Lycan eh. So, yung Pom Saint parang ito lang. So, should we? I think I should. Yeah. Hi Saint! Hi!